So this is the building I was telling you about, 55 East Erie. What I love about this building is that it's classy, it's sophisticated, has an incredible lobby, and the residents are top-notch. Let's check it out. So we're on the 28th floor, and you have great views going west, going north, and going east. Incredible views of the skyline. You can even see some parts of the lake, and this huge balcony transitions you right into this amazing kitchen. And you have this beautiful kitchen with the solid white cabinetry, the granite countertops, but you have enough room for a dinette set, and then you have floor-to-ceiling windows, so the sunlight just shines in the morning. And by the way, this view is facing west, which means you have that beautiful afternoon sunlight. And you do have a relatively open floor plan. Now this is your living room, but you also have great media features because you have built-in surround sound, which is throughout this condo, and again, the floor-to-ceiling windows. Whether you want an office in your condo, a second bedroom, or both, this condo gives you all the features that you're looking for.